How to Google Drive Backup WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. Keeping a backup is super important to ensure you don't lose your chats, photos, and videos. So, let's get started. First, make sure you have a Google account set up on your phone and that you're connected to Wi-Fi. This will make the backup process faster and save your mobile data. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu, and then select Settings. Next, tap on Chats. This is where you can adjust your chat settings and manage backups. Now tap on Chat Backup. Here you'll see the options to back up your chats to Google Drive. Tap on Backup to Google Drive. You'll see several options, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap Backup. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If prompted, select the Google account you want to use for the backup. If you don't have one linked, you can add a new account. You can also choose whether to back up over Wi-Fi only or use cellular data as well. For large backups, it's better to use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. If you want to include videos in your backup, make sure to toggle the Include Videos option on. Keep in mind that this will make the backup file larger. Finally, tap the Backup button to start the backup process. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your chat history and media files. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. Now you can rest easy knowing your chats and media are safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.